Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. Plug the cable into the car's designated USB port and then into your phone. When the phone asks, choose File Transfer or Android Auto mode and unlock the screen. This lets the car access the phone safely. Make sure the phone shows the Android Auto prompt. Grant permissions for contacts, messages, and locations so apps load correctly. Once done, watch the car display for the Android Auto welcome screen, which confirms a successful initial handshake. Now configure both devices. On the phone, open Android Auto settings and confirm USB connection defaults so it launches automatically. On the car's infotainment screen, select Android Auto and grant any allowed app permissions. This ensures maps, music, and calls appear. Disable aggressive battery optimization for the app so it won't be killed in the background. Once configured, test a navigation route and a voice command to verify audio routing and mic access. This confirms stable, usable integration. Finish by running quick checks. Start navigation, play audio, and make a call to verify everything routes correctly. If something fails, unplug and try a certified cable and another USB port. Many issues are just bad wiring. Next, reboot the phone and car head unit, then reconnect. If problems persist, clear the Android Auto app cache, check for app and head unit firmware updates, and confirm USB settings, show file transfer. That one change often fixes persistent handshake problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.